showed that the satellite making like the kind of lattice work over the globe. How wide are the
How wide are the swaths?
Yeah.
For GPM, there's going to be 3 different swaths. So the microwave imager is 885 kilometers across. And then the 2 radars have a smaller radius, which is
120 and
125 and 225, I believe. But,
pick up the brochure. It's in the brochure.
small, yes. So there's overlapping swaths. So when, pointing back to your question, where those three different information sources overlap, you have a very robust data set of characterizing the type of precipitation, the distribution, and everything that we can understand in the precipitation column. Yeah. So I'm going to turn that over to Peter, and happy to...
Ubiquitous hurricanes that are sitting there going all the time. And there's this area of precipitation right along the equator, along what is called the intertropical convergence zone. Basically, air goes together here and goes up and towards the poles at high latitude. And another thing to point out is along, just north of Antarctica here, you can see a whole lot of motion of precipitation. This is a map of precipitation here. And the reason to point that out is the poles are really different. On the South Pole, you have this landmass around which is ocean. There's nothing to restrict the motion of the air or the water, and there are regularly 60-foot high waves on this ocean. And so air is just charging around Antarctica, and the ocean is too. So Antarctica is rather isolated from a lot of the rest of the planet. And the North Pole is very different. You have an ocean surrounded by land. So you don't see that kind of stuff. One of